You can use the joystick on your Flex to also control downstream keyers. So on our Flex, if we want to assign the joystick and rocker to a downstream keyer, we use the layer button for assigning these controls to the appropriate downstream keyer. So I'll hold down the layer button, and then on the LCD readout, you can see the number of DSKs available on your control panel. Let's control DSK1. I'll select the button on program. And now these are set to control DSK1. Let's display it just so we can see what's going on. You can see the VizRT logo is full screen, but I can then use the buttons here to resize and reposition this element. And if I want to control another downstream keyer, pull down layer again, and I can switch to a different keyer. There's also a reset button that will reset the scaling and positioning parameters back to their defaults. So if you see, if I press this, it goes back to full screen, but then I can just control it again as necessary. When I'm done controlling the downstream keyer, just put the system back into follow preview, and then it will be back in normal operation mode where you can use the joystick and rocker for controlling PTZ cameras.